Greetings. My name is Larry Lambert, and I am the director of the Omni Hypnosis Training Center of Washington, D.C. Thank you for taking a moment to learn a little bit more about what we do and how we help people become hypnotists. We have a 7-day intensive beginner through advanced level hypnotherapy course. In those 7 days, we teach you the basic fundamentals of how to create trance, how to manage it, how to use it, how to make direct suggestions, and make them stick and resonate in your client to create positive change. We also have an advanced 2-day process that's part of our 7-day course that helps you learn how to best use regression in creating the change in your client that you seek. Now, this is all about empowering you as a hypnotist to help your client. But in reality, your job as a hypnotist is to empower your client to make the changes within themselves. You see, that's the secret of hypnosis. We can't make changes in you. We can show you that certain things aren't working for you, and we can give you the opportunity to make those changes within yourself. But we can't change your belief systems and how you do things. Only you can do that. And I know I'm breaking one of those myths and misconceptions about hypnosis just by telling you that, but it's true. We are the guide or the escort that takes you through that process and helps you become more balanced. Helps you find your strengths and to focus on them. If you find this interesting, contact us at 202-570-4757. Or you can find us on the web at omnihypnosis-dc.com. You can also find this information in the boxes below the video. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day. Again, I'm Larry Lambert, director of the Omni Hypnosis Training Center of Washington, D.C. I look forward to meeting you.